it. It kind of tickles. Ben, let's go help Ellie. Come on. Come on. My hair. Come on. My hair. My hair. Fantastic. I'll just wait in the waiting area. That looks boring. Let's use water balloons.
Yeah! Woo! Let's soap it. We're gonna dry it now. We're done!
Wow, you really cleaned up my car. Nice job. I'll recommend you to my friend. Okay, bye.
Bye.